Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility. Read the registered agreement terms and identify the clause that allows cancellation and why it applies to your situation. Once done, collect the original signed document, proof of identity, payment receipts, and any amendments. These prove your basis. Make sure to note deadlines like notice periods and any statutory waiting times, because missing them can invalidate the attempt. Begin the formal request now, so you keep control of timing and evidence. You draft a clear cancellation notice that cites the exact clause and states the effective date. Explain the factual basis briefly so the reader understands the why. Then, complete any mandatory government or registry forms, ensuring names, registration numbers, and dates match the original agreement. Attach notarized copies of documents where required. Once assembled, elect the proper service channel, registered mail, electronic registry, or court filing, because proof of delivery determines legal effect and next steps. You now file the cancellation packet with the appropriate registry or court, pay any fees, and secure the stamped receipt. This makes the filing official. Once filed, monitor for confirmation and save reference numbers. If the registry issues a publication or notice period, track compliance dates so you can finalize the record. If the filing is rejected, get the written reasons promptly, because correcting errors or lodging an appeal quickly is the single most effective troubleshooting move to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.